In this video I want to show you how to use timer and interrupts to toggle an LED every half a second. So this is the way that we will be making to toggle the LED. So how do we select this particular time of 0.5 seconds? Well, if you notice here, my every 1 second, every second, my wave toggles 2 times per second. So this is one time that it toggles, this is the second time that it toggles. So basically your timer has several values that select that particular period of time. You have your system clock, prescaler, timer max value, and your timer preset, and that gives you the number of times that your timer overflows per second, which in this case, like I said, it's 2. So whenever your timer reaches the value of 256, then an overflow is triggered, and that's when I, in my code, choose to toggle the LED pin. So this is a page where your timer description starts. You can basically set the timer mode to synchronous or asynchronous. The default value for it is synchronous, so I have left it as 0. This is where this is a table that you can use to choose your prescaler. I have selected 10, 20, 48. You can choose any value from this table, just as long as it fits in your formula to the value that you want ultimately. So what happens when our timer overflows, or when it reaches the count of 256? If you go to the datasheet page 85, it will tell you right here that in normal mode an overflow interrupt D0V1 is generated. This is the register that holds the value for the timer. You can read and write to it. I'm going to be writing the value of 12, as you can see in my formula. So let's go and check out the code. So this is my code. This is my interrupt service routine for the overflow vector, and every time the timer overflows, I write the value of 12 so that my timer starts counting from 12 according to my formula. That should give me 2. Then I set the flag toggle LED, which I then check in my main functions while loop, and if the flag is equal to toggle LED, then I toggle the LED pin and reset the flag so that it doesn't toggle the pin until my ISR gets called again. So this is my get and set function. These are my constants for flag none and flag toggle LED. This is where I set I can choose my comparator mode. A comparator is basically a value that you can set that will turn on and off a pin whenever your timer reaches that value that you have set in the comparator. I'm not going to be using comparators, so I have turned both A and B off. This is where I choose my prescaler, like I showed you from the table. 2048, these are the bits. So that is what I have chosen here. 1 1 0 0, since I have inverted and ANDed. Then I enable the interrupt and start my count initially from 0 instead of from 12. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.